Today is Wednesday, August 7th. This is the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Vacuum Activated AC Master Switch. Okay, this is the 3-port variant. There's also a 4-port variant used in the Fleetwood and limousines. The 3-port variants such as this one's used in the Eldorado and DeVille. So this is an original vintage item that has been fully restored, and I'm going to do a functional validation test for Pamela Thornton in Long Beach, California. So I'll go ahead and connect the unit to power. And we're going to replicate how the unit would function when installed in order to do a functional validation test. I'll connect the vacuum port right here, and I'll apply a piece of tape across 2 of the ports to provide seal. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and tilt it in the side, and we'll be looking for the diaphragm to collapse and for the light to come on once we've applied vacuum power. So I'll go ahead and apply the pump, and we see the light comes on and the diaphragm collapses, pressing the activator switch and providing continuity to the light bulb, which would indicate activating the blower motor of the air conditioning system. And if we look at the gauge, we see we're holding vacuum right at up to 7 pounds. So anything greater than 5 pounds of vacuum will activate the switch. So we have good vacuum integrity as indicated by the meter, and I'll go ahead and release the vacuum, and the diaphragm relaxes and the light comes off, which would be the closure of the electrical current to the blower motor of the air conditioning system. So this is the functional validation test. This particular unit is going to be going to Pamela Thornton in Long Beach, California. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac and over 250,000 original and restored items for 1959 to 1976 Cadillacs, and I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, air conditioning components, and the power seat mechanisms. This is George in Florida. Today is August 7th. Thank you very kindly.